Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal account to PartnerStack. To do this, simply go ahead and click on Commissions tab on the upper left hand side. That is right next to Home, and here you'll have Setup Withdrawals. Here you can see below it says select from direct deposit, PayPal, or Stripe. And so if you don't have any payout method set up here, you will have this button to set up your withdrawals. Go ahead and click set up withdrawals right here. Select PayPal as the option. Go ahead and enter your email address of your PayPal account. You want to go ahead and confirm it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. And for the purpose of security here, I'm blurring my email address. And once you type that in and confirm it, go ahead and click and connect, and you will see that it connects your account. Now it's going to send you a confirmation to your email address, and that is the email address of your PartnerStack account. So, and if your PartnerStack account is different from your PayPal account, what is going to happen is that you will receive a confirmation in your email, and that email is going to look just like this, as you can see in my screen right here, and it's going to say go ahead and confirm, login to confirm. It's going to show you a screen like this once more for you to enter your email address and just go ahead and click and continue. I'm going to select my email address here to log right back into my PartnerStack account. And you will see right now that it takes me right back into my account, as you can see right here. And if I go back to commissions again here, you will see that it is now set up with my PayPal account. And here, once you have funds on your PartnerStack account, you can simply do withdraw. You will need at least a minimum of $5 to be able to withdraw to your PayPal account. But that's how easy it is, guys, to set up your PayPal account on PartnerStack. Very easy and very simple. I'm going to refresh on this page so that you can see again that it's all connected and it's all working fine. That's how easy it is. Very easy and very simple.